Welcome to another edition of Johnny Stocks 212. Other people trying to sell you something, I'm just here to find those A winners, go-getters, trend-setting companies to invest in. Thank you for joining me wherever you may be. We got a great show for you today. Today we're talking about an exciting company called Aytu. Please read the disclaimer on your own time. So Aytu BioPharma, they are really looking to improve children's lives. They have a couple products already in the market for ADHD, and they have some interesting stuff going on with their pipeline. So let's get right into it here. Leadership team, Josh Disbrow is co-chairman, or co-founder, I should say, and CEO. Also chairman of the board. You know, I'm a big fan of leadership teams where co-founders are around because, they're really, they're going to not let that company fail. When you co-found a company, you're really into it. So I'm a really outstanding leadership team. I'm listened to a bunch of different interviews before he was COO of Aytu Pharmaceuticals. I don't know if you're familiar with them, but they did a bunch of anti-inflammatory biological therapies. So outstanding leadership team. They have basically two already medications on the market for ADHD. One is methylphenidate, which is an orally disintegrating tablet, Contempla XR, which is the brand name. And then they have Adzenz, which is brand name amphetamine, another orally disintegrating tablet, extended release as well, for also ADHD. So someone else was telling me about this company to do a little more research on it. They were looking into treat vascular Ehlers-Danlos syndrome, AR101, and Xanstarin is the name of the medication. They were, someone was telling me they were already in clinical trials. So I got excited because not many, that's a really rare disease, not a lot of treatment options for patients, and that got me excited to take a look at this company a little deeper. So let's look at the pipeline. So, I heard that they were supposed to be in clinical trials for this, and here it is, the AR101 for vascular endothelial Danlos syndrome, also associated connectivity tissues. When I did some more research, though, just recently, they suspended the trial. So at first glance, you're going to think, okay, that's not great. They're suspending the trial. But now, the reason why they did it wasn't because it failed. It's actually going to save the company about $20 million, easily in the first half of 2023. Now, so that's, it's a lot of times investors think, well, hey, they're suspending trial, bad news, bad news. Well, but guess what? These guys have the right idea. Listen, this is a kind of economic environment. You got to raise capital. You cannot, interest rates going up. You got to get cash flow positive. So I give them credit for, hey, you still have this in your back pocket. It's a rare genetic disorder. Get the balance sheet right. And then potentially this, they could come back. Definitely, hopefully, if they become profitable beginning of next year or the year or a few quarters after that, that could be, a positive thing. To me, it looks like really just kind of strategic realignment, and it's not because of, issues as far as we know from any clinical data. So I don't have a problem with that. So let's look at the stock price. Stock symbol AYTU, Biopharma, 17 cents at the time of the video. I do think that there's opportunity here. If this company can focus on, I hate to say profits, but turn this company around and focus on, efficiency and become profitable, listen, they can bring that potential medication back to market. They have a track record of doing that. So I'm still excited about this company. Could be a good turnaround. I'm going to continue to monitor this company because I think there's a lot of opportunity here. That's all the time we have for this video. I hope you did enjoy this video and the content I'm creating. please make sure to hit the subscribe button. It's completely free to subscribe. It helps my channel grow. I'll continue to monitor this company. And as always, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.